Omuhururu yo kwogesa abaana emico n'emitwarizo mu maka n'amashomero abantu bashaka okuhindura emiteeketeekere yabo aha bujunaanizibwa bw'abaana b'aboojo n'ababishiki.
Nibagira ngu information is power ningashi okumanya n'amaani. So mbwenu nimanya ngu ekibi haha nikiza kuba ensigo, nikiza kuba message mpango mu maka okukira munonga okukuza ensinganto ababijukuru.
In these books we found out that in many African societies you find that these societies are dominated by men, according to what we were seeing. But according to God, God wants us to be equal.
Ekitongole kya Nyaka AIDS Foundation nikikuba n'amashomero 10 omuri Rukungiri, Kanungu na Rubanda.
Nimanya ngo obutumwa na message twahereza oba yeza kuba kyango mu maka no kudyana omusinge gw'ihanga.
I'm grateful to Nyaka ekwatanisize na Imogo Day Fund abo kutwereza donation y'ebitabo ebinareba ryayo twanguni Who Does God Want You to Be ningashi ruhanga nayenda ngobeki in life.
Kandi twashomamo ngo tushemerere kuguma tuli abantu abari kukunda project eki ninsima munongera izoba abagenyi betu abeja kutuleba.
Martha Chichoncho omutebekanisa wa Hurreji nagira nkuhiya batandika kugaba ebitabo ebigenderire kuhindura emiteekateekere y'abantu aha myonga y'aboojo n'ababishiki habireho empinduka.
So we are hoping that by the time these kids are done reading this book, their mindset shifts from what they grew up knowing, from the culture norms that that they grew up knowing, to what God wants them to do.
Hinabeji abtuganireho nabo aha myonga yabo maka gabo.
As I was reading the book, I saw a certain page that was saying that God created us in our own images equally, and God has both the male and female characteristics.
I think that they will help us, we girls, to know that we have equal rights as boys.
Abana mafuzi abakurenga omutwaro no bahiriza kuganyirwa mu program egi n'abakikura barukika emitwaro 2013 omu district 3 omugandi abakazi abakaturki abakwegita mu kibiina kya Uganda Matters Catholic Women Apostolate bahira obuhwezi obwo byokurya n'ebukoresa okuhera abana abatine bazire babo omu Divine Mercy Babies Home aho mu Rembo Mbara.
Facilitation was three people. Oyeka muhindura mbafu okupaya mtabeli yako ikayona yasoma yatege. So nitwe omulimo gwitu nuko Kristo tukamashira kandi abana abandi. Our coming here is not just giving gifts, no. You can give gifts to anybody. But you are coming here to show love. And Christ went to that family in Bethany to give love.
Twakoreki nk'abakyala ba Muchwa Mbara Catholic Women Apostolate Uganda Matters Parish bimwe bigenderwa bitu twinemu ekyo kugira ngo tukore obutumwa apostolate. So twija gukora obutumwa omubana bato abana ba Divine Mercy
babahire bukwato ebyedini okubahwera okurura omwoyo.
Tukasharamu twagira ngo reka turangije obutumwa tukwija okworeka rukundo ombana barahanga aba Babies Home.
Rukundo y'abazire twakikira twabakunda twazina nabo twayishongora nabo twashemererwa nabo.
Apostolate ntimayisa no basa kutwara ubutumwa bwa Kristo oryo muntu waburijo utari father utari sister. So twabaretera umuceri twabaretera obuhunga twabaretera byo kuzanisa twabaretera toilet paper.
Aba baherize yo bwezi nibo bumwe ahari bana Babies Home na abana banagejirwe bari kurebero gasha kwa Akiza na Aiden Bataringaya.